To start monitoring your .NET applications in Windows, click on Add Data, select Service, proceed by typing in a name for your application service, select the environment as Windows, and select the language .NET from the drop-down menu. Click on Next. This is where you would specify the API token to be used when sending the collected service data. You can choose to generate a new one by selecting Generate New Token and typing in a token name, or you can use an existing token and select the token from the drop-down menu if there are any. Let's generate a new token by typing in a name for the token and click Next. Download the .NET Library installer by clicking on the given link. Stop the IIS by running IIS reset stop. Run the downloaded installer and provide the given service key and ingestion endpoint when requested. Now restart all the application pools by running IIS reset restart. Wait for the APM library to connect successfully to the SolarWinds APM collector, and the Waiting for Connection button in the SolarWinds observability will change to OK. Click OK to finish setting up the service.